Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer, and ice cream truck chaser.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Anna is churning up some orange sherbet that's basically a creamsicle. Make sure your ice cream bowl is in the freezer for at least 24 hours. Onto the sherbet base. Combine orange juice, zest, and corn syrup in a blender. Why corn syrup? It prevents the sherbet from getting icy, and no one likes icy sherbet. Now take a taste. More zest? More salt? You tell me. You could eat this right now, but it'll be even better if we freeze it. Right before serving, whip up some cream. The secret ingredient is salt, which makes it bright and beachy. And that's orange sherbet in 3 ingredients. Let's eat.